It's P-Hat, Patrick Henry facing Who Ride, Who Ride. Hey, Cardinal, how you doing? Patriots with the ball here, and this is Melvin Harris on the little shifty move on the option, and he opts to run to the end zone, 42-0, PHHS. Hoover now, Jacoy McNeely going to Alex Sanchez-Reyes. Beautiful catch there, 26 yards, and that's going to set up Mr. McNeely around the left side. He runs in for the touchdown as Hoover gets on the board, but it's that kind of night as Mr. Ragab Hussein. Nice run here, 73 yards. Final, 49-6, Patrick Henry. And my final game of the evening.